Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change system language on Samsung Galaxy A40. So first you must go to the settings. Now scroll down to General Management. And first setting is for language. So tap there and tap on Add Language. Now you can choose your language. I will choose Deutsch for example. Set as default. Wait a little bit. And now is your language changed. As you can see, there is German now. If you want cycle between languages in the list, you just tap on language and tap on blue button. And now is language back on English. If you want to remove a language from the list, tap on edit, mark the language and remove it from the list. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, thumbs up and please subscribe. Bye.